equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you should see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. A clean workspace will help ensure the longevity of your vacuum. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Carefully pull the connectors apart, ensuring you don't damage any wires. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can get professional help if needed. With the motor disconnected, use your pliers to remove any retaining clips holding the motor in place. Once these are removed, you can lift the motor out of the compartment. Now, take your new motor and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the retaining clips to secure the motor in place. Reconnect the wiring harness by pushing the connectors back together until they click into place. It's crucial to ensure these connections are secure to avoid any electrical issues later on. Before reassembling the vacuum, give the compartment another quick clean to remove any dust that may have settled during the process. Now, align the cover back onto the motor compartment and press down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Finally, reattach the dust canister by sliding it back into position until you hear a click. Plug your Dyson SV12 back into the power source and turn it on to test the new motor. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV12. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Enjoy your clean home with your newly repaired Dyson. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.